folks, I'm in the Seattle airport and I've only had a few hours of sleep. I got the lemongrass tofu and noodles and a coffee, which I usually don't do, so yeah. So spicy dressing on the salad, soy sauce I threw on the noodles, and also the sriracha sauce. It's really yummy. Okay folks, second gate change. I'm sitting at my latest gate and about an hour late flight, but everything's going groovy.
Service now to Ketchikan, Wrangell, Petersburg, Juneau, and continuing on to Anchorage. seatbelts on. Our pilots will turn off the seatbelt sign when it's safe to get up. Leave your things where they are until we've reached the gate. If your phone is close, you can take it out of airplane mode. With our baggage service guarantee, your bags will be at baggage claim within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate, or see a baggage agent to receive a discount or miles toward a future flight. For information about connecting flights, check the monitors inside the terminal or use the Alaska Airlines mobile app. If you're continuing on with us, we encourage you to remain on board. We will deplane and begin reboarding right away for our continuation to Petersburg. Deplaning in Wrangell will require you to re-clear security screening. And unfortunately, this terminal does not offer any amenities.
I stepped out of the truck earlier and I just had my little short black boots on, and the snow went into my boots. But now I got my partial Gumby suit on, my big tall boots, and I'm ready to rumble. Tyler said, you should just go to sleep, take a nap, and then it'll stop snowing. And you know what? It's little bits of blue sky, and it stopped snowing, and here I am, back homey home. Neither my older sister nor I got any more than a few hours of sleep. She had to take me into the airport, and then she had to actually work a day electricianing her way around, and me, on the other hand, I got to come home and nap. So anyway, I said last week that I was going to get my planting calendar done, but the birds and the squirrels in Eugene ate my homework. And so what we have here for this late video for the week is me traveling back to Southeast Alaska. Exciting! And I think that's it. I was thinking about making a snowman, but this snow is like so fluffy that it doesn't really want to stick together. So what I'm going to do instead is a little jig. It doesn't look like planting season anyway, right? See you guys next week. My basil up here underlies at the house. Didn't get any water while I was gone, and they are all massive flowers, but they are not dead.